Hey, my name is Tara, and today we'll be doing a love reading for Sagittarius. Hello, my Sagittarius out there. This will be a 3 to 5 card reading. This reading may resonate with you or it may not. However, if that's the case, please check your sun, moon, and rising sign. Okay, so I'm going to be using the John Holland Psychic Tarot from the Heart. And let's see what the messages are from Spirit. Because you never know which direction the reading is going to go in. So I'm using these cards to put a more positive spin on the cards. But I tell you, it just seems like this has been a challenging month. Whatever cards I use in relationship. Okay, so maybe still some Mercury retrograde still going on, still in effect. And things have been just seeming a bit challenging. So let's begin, Sagittarius, with your past. Coming together. The Two of Cups. Well, that's a good start. It speaks about unity in love and relationship. It speaks about, this could be a new relationship that started. Okay, and it has a picture of a family there. But this could, for a person that's single, you could have met someone new. Someone new entered into your life, or this could be a family. Just sharing the love. Things are going well. So that's a good thing. So Two of Cups is all about love, new beginnings in relationship. This is your present position, and this is the Eight of Swords. Okay, so the past was looking great. Filled with unity there. But we have helpless and hopeless. And this is the Eight of Swords, you know. So this is still coming out a challenge in reading, because with the Eight of Swords, you're trying to figure out which way to go, okay? You may be in a situation that you're puzzled on whether you should go left or whether you should go right. You might be in a relationship that has reached a point of decision making, and you're trying to figure out what to do, what direction to go in. Or it could be something within a relationship that posed a challenge, and you're trying to figure out what to do together. Okay, and you could be feeling stuck in a situation. It could have been a challenge that arose in a relationship. Either it's the relationship itself, or it could be a challenge within the relationship also. But this speaks about wanting out of a situation, but not knowing how to see your way. You see a little bit, but you don't see the whole picture. And you see this person here trying to figure out what staircase to take to get to the other side of those rocks and those mountains. And the mountains are the obstacles. Okay? But take the first step. Because it looks like either way you go, you're going to still, it's not, if you take the right way or you take the left way, it looks like it's going to go in the same direction. It just seems like you may take a different path. Okay? But you may feel that sense of not knowing, a helpless feeling. You may feel stuck, a hopeless feeling. Looks like things were going well with the Two of Cups, but something shifted. So there's a lot of shifting in these readings, that obstacles just come and put you at a point that you're trying to figure it out, how to do it, how to move forward. Okay? So this could be a relationship you feel stuck in. Possibly. And let's see what the immediate future brings. And this is Blossom. And with Blossom, this is Judgment. A major arcana here. That speaks about, well, to me, it speaks about a new awakening. So while you're here with the Eight of Swords trying to figure it out, it looks like with Judgment, you got some clarity on the direction to go in. It could have been something that was holding you back as well when I look at the Eight of Swords. And I said that before, but it looks like it could have been a certain situation that caused you to pause. It could be a situation that you needed to forgive somebody for. But Judgment comes along and gives you a bit of new clarity, new insight on how to view things, a new beginning. It's a symbol of a rebirth, a calling, and pulling you out of that position of feeling stuck and bringing a sense of liberation to you. Here with Blossom, you're blossoming, just newness, new beginnings here with Judgment. Okay, so let me go to, let me pick the, let's see, we got future, present, no, past, present, immediate future, and let's see what the future holds. And embrace. And this is the World. So it looks like you've been through some challenges with that Eight of Swords, not figuring out which direction you're going to go in. But whatever, you obviously chose the right direction that brought a sense of liberation, a sense of rebirth and renewal to you. And here you have the World, embracing the universe, the goodness of it, the universe, getting your heart's desire with the World card. So, good things to come. The dreams that were put on hold, you find that they now are coming true in your near future. So that's a good thing. Sagittarius, that is a good thing. So I'm going to close out here, and if you were able to connect with this reading, give the video a thumbs up. Also, you can leave your comment in the comment section, and if you like, you don't have to, tell me how the video connect with you. And also you can share the video if you like. And until next time, God bless you.